peeps, we are here at Universal Orlando Resort, and today we're just going to do a brief video showing the hotel horror coming to this year's Halloween Horror Nights event. Now, Universal Orlando Resort has announced that many of the hotels that you can stay at during Halloween Horror Nights on property will have themed lobby experiences, such as what you see behind me at Aventura, and we're going to walk you through some of the very cool stuff that they've got set up. First up, we have the Aventura Hotel, which is normally futuristic, minimalist themed anyway, and so they brought that to the future with an alien theme, and you get this kind of interesting photo op, but the big thing is right next to it at Bar Ventura, where they've got this UFO themed experience, giant aliens and blinking lights right above the lobby bar. It's a bit bulky to sit around, but it's pretty cool. And as you make your way next door, you get to Sapphire Falls. And Sapphire Falls is one of my favorite hotels at Universal Orlando Resort. I really love the normal beachy theme of the lobby, but if you walk right beyond that beachy theme towards Strongwater Tavern, you get to see this very beautiful funeral graveyard theme lobby experience with like candles and flowers and tombstones and statues and columns, and it's honestly way more than I expected out of the lobby experience, and really looks nice at night. Obviously the lobby is always lit up anyway, but I bet you if they turned the lights off it would be even prettier. Of the three experiences we're going to show you today, this is probably the prettiest. And if you make your way across the street, you'll come across Cabana Bay Beach Resort, which does feature the return of the Swizzle Lounge Pumpkin Bar experience. But before you even get there, the entire lobby is decked out with jack-o'-lanterns and cool props and things like that. And honestly, out of the three bars that we're showing you, or the three lobby experiences that we're showing you today, this was probably my favorite, just because it's the one that felt the most like Halloween to me. Now, Sapphire Falls, probably the prettiest, but I would say Cabana Bay, definitely the coolest, definitely the most Halloween feeling. I mean, look at these pumpkins all over the lobby. It's just so cool to look at. Great experience, and kudos to everyone at Universal Orlando for really kicking in and extending Halloween Horror Nights beyond the park experience. Alright folks, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so that you know when we release our upcoming Halloween Horror Nights coverage. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.